This finger-licking antipasti plate for your next aperitivo or party. It's easy and quick to prepare, and you can make it as big or small as you want. Let's make it. Ingredients. For the sandwich platter: bel morso caninata, bel morso sun-dried tomatoes, bel morso asparagus pate, bel morso garlic pate, bel morso bella di cerignola olives, sandwich bread without crust, mini ciabatta rolls. For the salad platter: rucola and baby spinach leaves, purple grapes, mini mozzarella balls, salt and pepper, IPG balsamic vinegar of Modena Platinum, bel morso extra virgin olive oil. For the antipasti plate or board: grissini, prosciutto crudo, bel morso sun-dried tomatoes, salami slices, bel morso fennel tarellini, blue cheese, layered amaror emmenthal slices, bel morso asparagus pate, bel morso bella di cerignola olives, bel morso tuna stuffed chili peppers, bel morso sun-dried tomatoes pate, more purple grapes and bel morso grandmother's recipe artichokes. Preparation. First of all, choose your serving dishes and boards based on the number of people you are serving. Next, start with one platter, and then move on to the next. Sandwich platter. Take your ciabatta rolls and slice them in half. We are going to make two styles of ciabatta sandwiches. For style 1, spread a teaspoon on caninata on each half. Top with rucola. Close with the other ciabatta half, and insert a toothpick with a sun-dried tomato on top. For style 2, spread a teaspoon of garlic pate on each half. Close with the other half, and top with a toothpick. And a giant bella di cerignola olive. For the sandwich option, spread the asparagus pate. Top with another sandwich slice. And cut into 4 quarters. Place 2 sandwich bites on top of each other. And secure with a toothpick. Antipasti plate. Use a long or wide wooden board, depending on how large you need your spread to be. Start by filling small bowls for each of these. Sun-dried tomato pate, asparagus pate, artichokes, olives, stuffed chilies, and sun-dried tomatoes. Layer these onto the board, leaving some space between each bowl. You will fill this space with other items. Wrap the grissini in prosciutto crudo, and layer them onto the board. Next, fill the space you left on the board with these foods. Salami slices, emmenthal slices, a piece of blue cheese, some grapes, and our fennel tarellini or your favorite flavor. Salad platter. Layer the baby spinach on a white plate, small or large depending on the number of people. Leave a hole in the middle. Layer some rucola randomly on top of the spinach leaves. Feel free to use another type of salad. Wash the grapes, and scatter those on top of the greens. Then spread the mini mozzarella balls next to the grapes. Season with salt and pepper. Prepare a small bottle of evu. And place the balsamic vinegar bottle next to the salad platter. Your guests can serve themselves and then drizzle some evu and balsamic on their plates. Having some extra bread slices is a great idea. as people might enjoy dipping the bread in the balsamic and evu dressing on their plate. You can also add a block of Parmesan cheese, so people can serve themselves. Parmesan goes amazingly with this salad. Here's the finished look of this trio of antipasti plates. Buon appetito!